Students, today we are going to see the problems in parabola. So exercise 5.2, fourth problem. Find the vertex, focus, equation of directrix and length of lattice rectum of the following. So see that the first one is the problem is given y squared is equal to 16x. So y squared is equal to 16x. So from this equation, the equation is in the form of y squared is equal to 4ax. Okay, so y squared is equal to 4ax. It's a standard form of the parabola which is open rightward. Okay, so when you compare these two equations, in the place of 4a you are having 16. Y squared is equal to 16x. This is the given problem. It looks like y squared is equal to 4ax. So while comparing these two equations, in the place of 4a you are having 16. So 4a is equal to 16. From that a is equal to 4. Okay. From this standard form, we can very well say the parabola is open rightwards. So if the parabola is open rightwards, we should know what are the vertex, focus, equation of directrix and length of the lattice rectum. So see now the vertexes, it is in the standard form. The parabola is in the standard form. So the vertex is the origin 0, 0. Okay, I have written. So the next one, focus. You see that focus is very important. See now the parabola is open rightward. So the focus is a, 0. Okay, the parabola is open rightward means the focus is a, 0. In the place of a, what you are having? 4. So the focus of the given parabola is 4, 0. Next, what is asked? Equation of the directrix. So equation of the directrix. A parabola is open rightward. The focus is a, 0. The directrix is in the just opposite to the focus. It is a line. So whose equation is x is equal to minus a or x plus a is equal to 0. Look at your focus. It is a, 0. Focus is a point. It is on the right side of x-axis. But definitely the directrix will be, it's a line which will be in the left side of x-axis. So that's why whose equation is x is equal to minus a. So when you substitute, it is x is equal to minus 4. So a is 4 here. So x is equal to minus 4. So your answer is x plus 4 is equal to 0. The length of the lattice rectum is, for parabola, it is 4a. So while you are substituting a is equal to 4, it is equal to 16. Okay. See now the next problem. So it is x squared is equal to 24y. X squared is equal to 24y. So x squared is equal to 24y, which is in the form of x squared is equal to 4ay. X squared is equal to 4ay. So when you compare these two equations, so 4a is equal to 24. So a is equal to 6. So x squared is equal to 4ay. It is a standard form of the parabola which is open upward. So the given parabola is open upwards. Okay, so we are going to find the properties. The first one, vertex. So it is in the standard form. So the vertex is 0, 0. Come to the focus. It is open upward. So the axis will be y-axis. So everything will be on the y-axis. So the focus is 0, a. So this is very important. So the axis of the parabola which is open upward is y-axis. So all the points will be on the y-axis only. So the focus is, the formula is S is 0, a. So you have to substitute what is a. It is 0, 6. Okay, we'll come to the directrix, equation of the directrix. The focus is in the positive side of y-axis. The directrix will be in the negative side. Okay, so therefore it is equation of the directrix is equal to y is equal to minus a. So a is 6, so y is equal to minus 6, or y plus 6 is equal to 0. The length of the lattice rectum, it's a length, so it is 4a. So the a is 6, so your answer is 24. You see the diagram. So x-axis, y-axis, the point of intersection is the origin. Okay, so here the focus is given as 0, 6. So I marked 0, 6 here. The parabola is open upward. So I have drawn like this. So what is the directrix? Y is equal to minus 6. So y is equal to minus 6, it will be down. Okay, so I have drawn this line. This is the directrix whose equation is y is equal to minus 6. You see the focus is of 0, a is 6, so 0, 6, the directrix is down, so whose equation is y is equal to minus 6. Okay, we'll come to the third subdivision. It is given as y squared is equal to minus 8x. So while you are comparing this, which is in the form of y squared is equal to minus 4ax. Okay, so when you compare these two equations, in the place of 4a, what you are having? You are having 8. You should not write minus 8. Here also you are having minus. So in the place of 4a, you are having 8. So a is equal to 2. Okay, so see this, on this equation we should know the parabola is how it is open leftwards. So therefore the given parabola is open leftwards. So we have to find the results. So what is first one? It's a vertex. Vertex is the parabola is in the standard form. So the vertex is 0, 0. Next go for the focus. You see that the parabola is open leftwards means it is in the negative side of x-axis. So the focus is minus a, 0. So what is a? A is equal to 2. So the focus is minus 2, 0. So how the directrix will be? So it is just opposite to the focus. Okay, so focus is in the negative side, so directrix should be in the positive side. So therefore x is equal to a. So here your a is equal to 2, so x is equal to 2. Okay, or you can write this as x minus 2 is equal to 0. Both are same only. So the length of the lattice rectum is what? 4a. A is what? 2. So 4 2s are 8. Otherwise we can take 4a is equal to 8. That also we can take it. Okay, we'll come to the diagram now. So you see that x-axis, y-axis. This is x-axis, y-axis. The point of intersection is origin. Now for this parabola, it's a vertex. Okay, what the type of parabola is? Open leftwards. So I have drawn as a open leftwards from that equation. What is the focus? Minus 2, 0. So I have marked minus 2, 0. So what is the directrix? X equal to 2. X equal to 2 will be in the right side of x-axis. Okay, so this is the line. So this is the directrix whose equation is x is equal to 2. Okay, so we'll move to the next problem. It is a it's a second type. Okay, so you see this equation. So from this equation, it is not in the standard form. Okay, so what you have to do now? First, you have to consider the x squared and x terms in the left side. The remaining terms, that is y term and the constant term, you have to take it to the right side. So see that equation. Here you are having plus sign. So when you take it to the right side, it is minus 8y. So plus 17 will become minus 17. Okay, so see that the parabola type, okay, you are having 4 types of parabola. If now it is not in the standard form, so the vertexes h, k means the 4 types of parabola whose equation will be y minus k the whole squared is equal to minus 4a into x minus h. So y minus k the whole squared is equal to minus 4a into x minus h, or x minus h the whole squared is equal to 4a into y minus k. One more, x minus h the whole squared is equal to minus 4a into y minus k. So anyhow, here the left side, the parabola the left side of the parabola should be the perfect square you should have. So here we don't have the perfect square, so we have to make the term which is in the perfect square. So for that, what I am doing is, see the x squared and x term. So take only the coefficient of x. Take only the coefficient of x. You need not worry about the sign, whether it is plus or minus. You need not worry about the sign. Take only the coefficient of x. Here, what is the coefficient of x? It is 2. Okay, it has to be divided by 2. So you have to take the half of the coefficient of x. Otherwise, you take the coefficient of x and divide it by 2. Now your coefficient of x is 2. When it is divided by 2, your answer is 1. So you have to add the square of the number. So here what I did, so I have taken the coefficient of x, that is 2. When it is divided by 2, the answer is 1. So you are going to add the square of that number. So 1 squared is 1. So here in the left hand side you are adding, means you have to add the same number in the right side. Okay, so you look at this, the left side now, after adding 1, so how it will be? It is in the form of a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So how you can write? It is in the, you can write as a minus b the whole squared. So your a is x and your b is 1. So here minus 2ab, so therefore it is in the form of a minus b the whole squared. Come to the right hand side. So minus 8y minus 17 plus 1, what is it? Minus 16. Okay, so left hand side as it is x minus 1 the whole squared, which is equal to, in the right side you should have only the variable, that is y. Now if you have y, now it is y alone you have to write. If you have x terms, now you have to write x alone. So here what I am going to do, I am going to take the coefficient of y outside. So what is the coefficient of y? So it is minus 8. So minus 8, when I take it out, here it will be y. From this term minus 8 is taken out, so this will become plus 2. Okay, so see that after getting this form, you just compare with the equation of the parabola. So how it will be? It is in the form of x minus h the whole squared is equal to minus 4a into y minus k. Okay, so this is the equation of the parabola whose vertex is h comma k. So when you compare these two, in the place of 4a, what you are having? 8. So 4a is equal to 8, a is equal to 2. So while you are comparing, you can find h comma k. So here x minus h, here the same term x minus 1. So h is nothing but 1. So h is 1. Come to here y minus k. Here what you will have? Y plus 2. So in the plus 2, how it can be written? Minus of minus 2. So you will have y minus of minus 2. So in the place of k you are having minus 2. So h comma k, which will be 1 comma minus 2. Okay, on seeing this equation, okay, so how the parabola is? The parabola is open downwards, because here you are having minus, so the parabola is open downwards. Okay, so we have to find the results. What is the result is asked first? Vertex. So it is not in the standard form, so the vertex is h comma k. What is the vertex? It is h comma k. So h is what? It is 1. K is what? Minus 2. So the vertex is 1 comma minus 2. So next you have to find the focus. Okay, so we should know the result. If the parabola is open downward with the vertex h comma k, okay, it is parallel to y-axis. So the focus formula will be, the focus result will be h comma k minus a. Okay, open downward, so which is parallel to y-axis. So therefore the focus will be h comma k minus a. This you should know. Okay, here in the place of h, what will you write? So it is 1. Okay, what is k? Minus 2. Here your a is 2. So minus 2 is minus 4. This will become your focus. At the next equation of directrix, you see that everything and the axis on the y axis, so that's why it start with y is equal to, okay, just opposite to the focus. Here in the y coordinate is k minus a, so you have to write the equation of the directrix is y is equal to k plus a. So y is equal to, what is k? It is minus 2. What is a? It is 2. So minus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the directrix. Y is equal to 0 means it is nothing but the x axis. So the length of the lattice rectum, the same formula, it is 4a. So 4a is equal to 8. Now we'll see the diagram. See the difference between the standard form and the vertex h comma k. So here I have marked x and y. The point of intersection is 0, 0. So for this parabola, what is the vertex is given? 1, minus 2. So I'm going to mark 1, minus 2. The x-axis 1 unit and the y-axis 2 units. It is minus 2. So I have marked down. So this is the vertex 1, minus 2. So through the vertex, we have to draw the horizontal line as well as the vertical line, so which will be called as x dash and y dash. Okay, so now what is your focus? 1, minus 4. So x coordinate 1 and y coordinate is minus 4. So I have go down. So this is minus 2. Then I have to move down. So it is 1, minus 4. So already we know that the parabola is open downwards. So through vertex I have drawn the parabola which is open downwards. So this is the focus. And come to the directrix, what is it? Y is equal to 0. Already I have said y is equal to 0 means x-axis. So I marked in the red line also in the x-axis. So whose equation is y is equal to 0. Okay, we'll come to the last problem. So see now, the same way here, y squared minus 4y minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. So you just have y squared and the y term, you keep it on the left side. The first step, you have to take the remaining to the right side. So here left side you are having minus 8x. When you take it to the right side, it will become 8x plus 12 will become minus 12. So here what I said, you have to make it as a perfect square. So for that, what I told you to consider, you have to consider the coefficient of x or y. Here the terms involving y squared and y. So you are going to take the coefficient of y alone. Here what you are having, it is 4. The 4 has to be divided by 2. So the answer is 2. So that number has to be square. Okay. So 2 squared is 4. Then I add that number, the square of the number, to both the sides. So here also plus 4. The right side also I added the same number. Do you understand? Take the coefficient of y. It has to be divided by 2. Then you have to square the number and then add to the left side as well as the right side. Okay. Now it is in the form of how it is? It is in the form of a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So it is, you have to write, it is in the form of a minus b the whole square. Your a is what? Y. What is your b? It is 2. So it is y minus 2 the whole square, which is equal to 8x. Minus 12 plus 4 is, what is it? Minus 8. So here on the right side, what you should have? Only you will have x or y. So here from this term you have to take 8 out. Okay. So our remaining is x. Here when you take 8 out, it will be minus 1. So now we have brought the form. So which is in the form of y minus k the whole squared is equal to 4a into x minus h. So when you compare these two, in the place of 4a you are having 8. So 4a is equal to 8. So a is equal to 2. Then compare h and k from these two equations. Okay. So go to h. So h, x minus h. Here you are having the right side x minus 1. So in the place of h you are having 1. And come to the left side, y minus k the whole square. Here also you are having y minus 2 the whole square. So when you compare, in the place of k, what you are having? 2. So h comma k is 1 comma 2. Okay, on seeing the equation, you should know or learn the parabola is open rightwards. Okay, the parabola is open rightwards. Coming for the vertex. So it is not in the standard form. So the vertex is h comma k. So here your h is 1 and k is 2. Next come to the focus. So with the parabola which is open rightwards, the axis is on the x-axis. The axis is parallel to x-axis. So therefore the focus will be h plus a comma k. So you have to substitute what is h is 1, what is a, it is 2. So 1 plus 2, it is 3. Your k is 2. So the focus will be 3 comma 2. Go for the equation of directrix. So equation of directrix is equal to x is equal to h minus a. So substitute h as 1 and a is 2. So 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. The length of the lattice rectum is 4a. What is a? A is 2. So 4 2s are 8. See the diagram. So x-axis and y-axis, the point of intersection is 0 comma 0. So first you have to mark the vertex. What is the vertex? 1 comma 2. So from here in the x-axis you have to take 1 units and the y-axis you have to take 2 units. It is positive. So I mark the vertex 1 comma 2 here. Through the vertex you have to draw the x horizontal line which is called as x dash, and the same way you have to draw the vertical line through vertex. The vertical line is called as y dash. Okay, so what type of parabola? It is open rightwards. So I have drawn the parabola which is open rightwards and mark the focus. What is the focus? 3 comma 2. This is 1 comma 2. So x-axis 3 units I have taken, y-axis 2 units. So the focus will be 3 comma 2. Next, what you have to mark? Equation of directrix. What is it? X is equal to minus 1. So this is 0 comma 0. So x equal to minus 1 will be the left side of x-axis. So this is the line x is equal to minus 1 which is called as the directrix. Okay, thank you students.